welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet from the beginning. Before we start, please like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. We will start with single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. We start with the first one, how to do single crochet. We make a slip knot and then continue to make the chains. In this video I make 15 chains, but you can customize it according to the size of your crochet project, whether you want to make a bigger or smaller one. Then we start from the second loops, yarn over from the second loops as pointed on the video, then follow the steps. I repeat the steps again to make a single crochet. After that, we continue with the next loop to make a single crochet. Follow these steps until the end of the loops. Okay, we have come to the end of the loop. Yarn over to make the last single crochet, and here it is. You have learned how to do single crochet. Okay, let's continue how to make half double crochet. The shape is almost the same with the single crochet. We make a slip knot and then make a chain. To make half double crochet, yarn over and then go through the next loop, yarn over again, and then go through the 3 loops together. Start again, yarn over, go through the loop, yarn over again and go through the 3 loops together. Do this until the last loop to make half double crochet. We have come to the end of the loop. Yarn over and then yarn over all the 3 loops together. Okay, here it is. You have learned how to do half double crochet. And we have come to the last one. How to do double crochet. We make slip knot and chains to start double crochet. Okay, we start to do double crochet. Again, we start with the second loop. The step is almost the same with half double crochet. Yarn over the second loop, go through the loop, yarn over again, but this time we only yarn over 2 loops instead of 3, and then yarn over again the last 2 loops, yarn over, go through the loop, yarn over, the first 2 loops, and then yarn over again the last 2 loops. Do this until the end of the loops. Okay, this is the last loop. Yarn over, go through the loop, yarn over the first 2 loops, and then yarn over the last 2 loops. And now you have learned how to do double crochet. Okay, this is the end of the video tutorial how to crochet from the beginning. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again. Bye bye.